Wireless dropping out again? JSAUX sent me their 10-foot gold-plated USB-B cable that vows tangle-free speed and rock-solid connection. So let's plug it in and see if it's worth ditching Wi-Fi. First thing I notice about this cable is that it's actually pretty high quality. It feels really nice in the hands. It feels super sturdy. I feel like I could literally pull on this super hard, nothing's gonna happen, which is a great sign. I love the color option as well. It's super cool that it's both red and red on the end right here. Each end piece is actually metal, as you can see, gold plated. It's also got obviously a super thick weave right here. It's quite a long cable as well, but just taking a look at it seems and acts like a very high quality cable. So let's test it out. Here's a device I have, a headphone DAC, basically, or a headphone amplifier, should I say, to essentially test this plug. As you can see, it actually plugs in really nice. It's super satisfying. I like how thick the end is. It makes it really easy to grab. Usually these cables are not metal at the end, so I really like that. Super satisfying. I totally recommend this cable.